walk, run, jump, climb, swim, fly, sing, play. A dog can walk. A horse can run. A cat can jump. A spider can climb. A fish can swim. A bat can fly. A bird can sing. A cat can play. I, you, he, she, we, they, it, they. I can walk. You can walk. He can walk. She can walk. We can walk. They can walk. It can walk. They can fly. One ant. 3 ants. 1 ball. 4 balls. 1 apple. 3 apples. 1 banana. 8 bananas. 1 elephant. 3 elephants. 1 flag. 2 flags. 1 hand. 2 hands. 1 hat. 4 hats. Can, can't, can, can't. Dog, cat, fish, zebra. A dog can walk. A cat can play. A fish can swim. A zebra can run. A dog can't fly. A cat can't swim. A fish can't run. A zebra can't sing.